An aromatic amine with the cold nitrous acid leads to the formation of an alcohol, a nitrite, a diazonium salt, and benzene. So it's an aromatic amine treating with nitrous acid. So whenever, dear students, aromatic amine treating with the nitrous acid means it's a diazotization reaction. It comes under diazotization reaction. So in diazotization reaction, if we have aromatic amine, let us take the example of aniline. Aromatic amine, when it is treating with cold nitrous acid, HNO2, that can be synthesized by the mixture of sodium nitrate and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, we usually get N2 plus and Cl minus, that is what we call it as diazonium salts. So diazonium salts are formed as a product. Therefore, if it is aromatic amine treating with the nitrous acid, you are going to get a diazonium salt. If it is aliphatic amine treating with the nitrous acid, you will get a diazonium salt, which immediately convert into an alcohol. Therefore, the final answer for this question is in option C, that is diazonium salt is formed when aromatic amine is treated with nitrous acid.